friends, and welcome back to our channel K2 and family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I've come with the most loved street recipe, and this recipe is Batata Vada. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to begin with, here I've took 1 kg of potato. I've boiled them and I've peeled out the skin. Now I'm going to mash these potatoes. Once we have mashed the potatoes, let's add some salt and let's give a mix again. Now here I'm going to take 12 garlic cloves and I'm going to add into a mixer blender 1 inch of ginger and 3 green chilies. You can use chilies according to your taste. So now I'm going to grind this without adding any water to this. So the result what we are looking is this, not making a complete paste but getting it finely chopped. Now in a pan, let's take a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of dry coriander. This is crushed dry coriander. After giving a fry of 30 seconds, now I'm going to add 1 large chopped onion. And to this, I'm going to use chopped coriander leaves. Now let's fry this for next 2 minutes. After frying for 2 minutes, now we're going to add the ginger, garlic and chili. I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to fry this until the rawness of ginger and garlic is completely done. Once you get the nice aroma of cooked ginger and garlic, now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook this for another 2 minutes. Let's add some salt as per taste. Once the frying is been done, now let's put off the flame, and to this we're going to add the mashed potato now. Now let's mix all this well. Now I'm going to add finely chopped fresh coriander. Now once we have mixed all this well, now we're going to keep this aside to cool down. So here in a bowl, I'm going to use 1.5 cup of gram flour and 1 large tablespoon of rice flour. Add some salt as per taste. Let's first mix this well. And here I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. We're going to add water gradually. Let's start mixing this well. And back again, I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to add a little bit more water gradually, not use completely, so I can find a right consistency. As you see now, this is the thick consistency that what we are looking for. Now at the end, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and give a good mix. Keep this aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now we are going to form the vadas, and for that we're going to take a portion that we require, and between your palms we're going to hold them and roll it to a ball. So here I've got a wok and I've put oil in there to heat it up. On the other side, the batter is ready here and the vadas are ready as well. So I'm going to dip the vadas into the batter to fry them. So take the vada, dip it inside. So friends, our Batata Vada is ready now. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching us the way how we prepare this recipe. If you have really liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.